Hey, how's it going? Got my brand new under cabinet or above cabinet LED lights here, kind of the puck style. I can kind of show you what we got going on here. They come 16 of them. They're nice and low profile, easy to use. They plug in. There's 2 of these, 8 on each one. They plug right into these modules right here, and they got little tabs and line them up nice and neat here. They do come with some little mounting screws if you're going to mount them, hard mount them, but they do come with these nice sticky pads that stick right in the back of the pucks here, and you can stick them up underneath your cabinet, run your wires, route your wires. Everything's going to be different on your scenario, obviously, with cabinet position, lighting, plug-in position, and where you put everything at. Comes with the power supply, comes with 2 of these, obviously, I just told you, for 8 pucks total on each one of these. 1 remote. There's like 20 different colors on here. Real simple directions, tells you how to use them. It's got a nice white light and a nice smooth light. I'll show you. I got it plugged in. Not completely finished on my installation, but I'm going to run along the upside of my cabinets there, and it looks really neat. I can show you the first one, and the remote works from quite a distance away. There's just your blue kind of warm light, and you can dim that down. I'll turn the lights off up here, and you can see it a little better. Does a nice job lighting everything up here. It's really cool because there's a nice, just kind of a white light that you can turn on separately, and that's actually, sorry, the warm light, and then you can dim that, quick dim to 25%, 75, 50. I mean, it looks really good, does a good job. I'll bring you over here just a little bit. I brought one of the pucks down so you can see it. See how kind of much light it gives off here, and the different modes that you got. That's that nice warm light with the quick changes on there for dimming. You can turn that off, turn your colored ones on, and you got all kinds of different colors. You can do red, blues, and greens, and yellows, all kinds of different settings. But they're a nice slim design. They'll fit underneath cabinets real nice there, and yeah, I think it'll look really good. Obviously up here at night, it really lights all that stuff up and lights the ceiling up or whatever. It's gonna be fun to play with. The kids will like it, and it'll be something different and make the kitchen look a little more fun. And if you're looking for something like this, check it out. I think you'll like it.